Hi everyone. Today I want to teach you how to delete a scheduled post on a Facebook Meta Business Suite. You must have scheduled posts for Facebook and Instagram. You can delete them if you feel like you don't want them to be published. So how do you do this? Go to your Facebook page. You click on Meta Business Suite on the dashboard. Then you click on Content on the dashboard. Then you click on Schedule. Once you do that, so these are your posts. So click on these three dots. Then you click on delete on the drop down. You can also do it. So you click on these three dots. You click on delete on the drop down. So this is how you schedule. This is how you delete a scheduled post on your Facebook Meta business. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. You can comment whatever videos you want me to create. Thank you.